Rich, creamy, and infused with the irresistible aroma of real vanilla. This strawberry vanilla ice cream is swirled with a refreshing strawberry compote for the perfect balance of sweetness and fruitiness. It is so delicious that you'll never guess it's made without dairy or eggs. Thanks to the real vanilla bean and homemade strawberry compote, the coconut milk adds a luscious richness without leaving a noticeable coconut flavor. Enjoy it on its own as a refreshing treat, not just in summer, but all year round, or scoop it between 2 cookies to make an irresistible ice cream sandwich. Give it a try!
Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan strawberry vanilla ice cream.
Place the ice cream maker bowl in the freezer for at least 24 hours to ensure it's completely frozen. Similarly, place the container for the finished ice cream in a freezer so that the ice cream won't melt quickly. Wash, hull, and dice the strawberries into small pieces. Squeeze lemon juice. Combine the strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice in a small saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until the strawberries begin to release their juices. Continue cooking for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the strawberries soften and the mixture thickens slightly. Remove from the heat and then transfer to a bowl. Let the compote cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until chilled. The compote will continue to thicken as it cools. Make a slit in the vanilla pot down the middle and use the blunt edge of a knife to gently scrape out the vanilla seeds. You can substitute the vanilla bean with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is 2 to 3 grams, but using a real vanilla bean gives the rich vanilla aroma and is highly recommended. In a saucepan, combine coconut milk, soy milk, sugar, cornstarch, and the scraped vanilla bean. Over medium-low heat, keep stirring the mixture until it starts to simmer lightly. Stir constantly until the mixture thickens slightly for about 2 minutes. Remove from the heat. Strain the mixture through a sieve. Press the vanilla pot to extract the vanilla flavor as much as possible. Over ice bath, Chill the mixture while stirring occasionally. Pour the mixture into the ice cream maker bowl. Turn on the ice cream maker and let it run for about 20 minutes. Once the mixture becomes the soft serve consistency, drizzle the strawberry compote while the ice cream machine is running. Pour the ice cream into a frozen container. Freeze it for at least 6 hours to overnight. This ice cream can be kept in the freezer for up to a few months. You can also add biscuits or cookies to the ice cream for extra nice crunch and deliciousness. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan strawberry vanilla ice cream and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.